Everybody is talking about ChatGPT and other AI. Do authors still have value in this time of AI? That brings us to the topic of today. So, really, do authors still have value and authority in this age of AI? AI can help us overcome writer's block, help us structure our content, even research ideas. For me, ChatGPT is my best friend. Oh, I use ChatGPT a lot. But if you are an author, an established author, or an aspiring author, and this is bothering you, let's break it down. Indeed, AI is very useful for us as author at this time. But AI can't tell the story. AI does not have the experience. I have 5 books. In one of my books, I was stupid, don't be. I wrote my experiences, my failures in business. I shared how I lost money, how I was defrauded, what happened. I shared my stupidity actually. I shared my stupidity. It was basically my story. It's not the story of AI. AI does not have that story. In my book, The Millionaire's Blueprint, I also shared my experience, my journey in the online space for 20 years. AI does not have this story. So AI can't tell your story the way you will tell it, the emotion that comes with it. AI can't tell that story. So AI is a tool that we can use as author, not your enemy. AI is your friend if you are an author. So as an author, you have the experience. People want to hear your story. Your story is still very interesting for us. We want to hear that story. You have the credibility. People love to see those who have the credibility, those who can share their knowledge with them, their experience with them, and you have the connection. You can connect the way you can connect to others. AI can't. The way you can connect to other human beings, AI can't do that. So you have the one-on-one and human connection with other human beings. AI does not have that. So what is the role of authors in this era of AI? Use AI as that tool that is your friend. Use it to edit your book, to polish your book, to embellish. I like to use the word embellish. Every time I'm telling my story to ChatGPT, I will always tell ChatGPT, help me embellish this story. I love that word, embellish. I will just go to ChatGPT. This is what I'm talking about. This is my experience. This is what I'm doing. Can you add life, more flesh to this story? And ChatGPT will help you create a beautiful story. So that's the center of the story. It's still yours. Only that ChatGPT is making our job faster. It's helping us to be more productive. It's helping us to produce book faster than we would have done. If you are an information marketer like me, where I also write ebooks, I create courses, ChatGPT is helping us producing ebooks faster. It's helping us to create those courses faster. ChatGPT is our best friend. It can't take over our place. It can't replace you. But use it as a tool. That author that is using ChatGPT, that is using other AI, will produce more books, will produce more courses, will produce more work, may even get more speaking gigs, more than the author who is not using it. So in this era of AI, let's embrace it. Let's not fight it. Books today is not about pages. It's about brand, authority building, income stream. Focus on your story and your insight. Don't focus on perfection. AI can help you refine. I remember years back when I started writing, there was no AI. But I wasn't I can say my English isn't so smooth. I wasn't one of the best writers. So my husband there would always say, what are you writing? Which English are you using to write? Well, you know, and I will keep telling him I'm not a perfectionist. Then I will ask him, what is the role of editors? What is the role of proofreaders? So then we don't even have AI. But I was writing with confidence. I was sharing my story, my experiences. And when he asked me, how are you able to write? Because he has been trying to write. He's a proofreader. He speaks better English. He's a secretary in money organization. He speaks better English more than me. So he's been trying to write, but he never finishes the book. But I have written 5 books. So I will just tell him that when I finish writing my book, when I finish writing my stories and my insights, I will give to proofreaders and editors. But today, with AI can even help you make your story finer. And that's what AI is doing for us. It's making our story better, finer, more beautiful. So make AI your best friend. Just write. AI will refine you. So AI does the refining for you as an author. AI is a friend. AI is not here to take over our value. I'm still very valuable. I'm an author, very valuable. I will continue to be valuable. AI is there. AI is my friend, but I will continue to be valuable. So the question you want to ask yourself as an author is, how do I use this AI to be more valuable? How do I use AI to be more productive? How do I use AI to increase my income stream? Those are the questions you want to ask. And how do I even use AI to impact the world more? So how can I work together with AI and give more beautiful and amazing stories to the world? That should be the question you ask yourself as an author. So to answer the question, do authors still have value and authority even in this age of AI? Yes. In fact, you have more value because people are looking for real stories, real wisdom, and real leaders. If you want to write a book, you can join my book accelerator program. You want to send us an email, I'll put the email in the description, where you can book to be part of the next cohort. If you want to be part of our next cohort, you want to send us an email so that we can send you a reminder email when the next cohort will start. This will be the right time. In case you've not subscribed on this channel, this will be the right time for you to subscribe on this channel and click on the notification bell. So when I post my next video, you will get the video. I need you to be part of this family because we're going to do more stuff on AI, on book writing, on how to use AI to grow your business, to write your book, to become more productive, and to use your time well, and also to grow your income. So always remember that you are today's leaders. See you in our next video.